Good morning, Kevin.
Hey, Earl, my friend. Happy President's Day.
Yeah, man. Happy President's Day. Most
Yeah,
banks and market is closed. But hey, as you can see, you and I both are still hard at it.
we're here working. I'm
Yeah.
casual because, technically we're closed. I got my hoodie on today, but here to record our weekly video on President's Day. And there's a President's Day sale on all houses.
Yeah, that's right. Let us know if you want to, buy anything anywhere. Please let us know. We have a great deal for you.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Sounds just
you're
like the
saying
local.
there's some pretty good news in the market. There's some good inventory numbers. I guess maybe tell us a little bit about what's going on.
Yeah, right now, active inventory on the market is up just about. Well, this is I'm speaking in regards. Let me just clarify this: Greater Hampton Roads area, the seven cities and outlying counties or cities like Williamsburg, James City County, Isle of Wight, just those neighboring cities as well. Looks like we're up about 200 active homes versus January right now. So that's more inventory for you buyers. If you're interested, in going shopping or taking a look, you have more options out there that will and may fit your budget. Also, this time of the year being February, we're still in the winter months. Things right now, Kevin, we are seeing homes sit on the market slightly longer. Right now, it's at 39 days versus 38 days from January. But I expect that to get back to 38 by the end of the month because we're right here in the middle, just about. And looks like as well, most people have been seeing the headlines about prices, as far as prices, maybe sliding or prices maybe decreasing. We want to definitely let you guys know that is not the case. These are the winter months, so things tend to seasonally, slow down just a little bit versus your spring and summer months. But as far as prices sliding, that is incorrect. Matter of fact, in the Greater Hampton Roads area, versus January, home prices are up right around an extra $1,000, up to 365 from right around 364,000 in January. So as you can see, the price increase in our localized area is definitely increasing, just at a more normalized rate. And nationally as well, and which you'll see as a chart, we'll have added in here. You'll see in regards to the 49-year average monthly price movement. You'll see versus 2023, which around this time of the year, I think it was like a negative 0.05, and now we're at a negative 0.02. I know that may sound like Greek to you guys, but all it's saying is basically that, hey, we're doing better because we're up 0.3 of a point in pricing this year than we were the same time last year. So that's all great news, for everyone, homeowners and home buyers.
Yeah, and seasonally, those charts show exactly what you would expect. Spring and summer, especially early summer, is when you see the biggest price increases because that's when the highest demand is out. We always look for the middle of March. Every buying season is when things are going to ramp up, take off. We're going to get super busy because that's when buyers tend to be out there. So folks have about another month to be out there looking at houses where there's going to be some more inventory. You're going to have some better chances because come spring, there's going to be a lot more buyers out there. And in the mortgage world, we are hopeful that we will start to see some mortgage rate improvements continue. They're certainly way better than they were 3-6 months ago. And we're expecting continued improvement over the next 12 to 24 months. So as rates come down, you're going to see more people coming back out into the market. So right now is a really good time to be out there.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's not that, and I don't want people to get this misconstrued. It's not like we're trying to be the cheesy car salesman that says, hey, every day is a good time to buy. And, this is going for cheap. Here, this or that. It's not that way whatsoever. What we're just telling, the people is that now you have time. You have time to sleep on it. You have time to think about it. You have more options in the market, even before the rates decide to go down. So you can do more of your own homework without feeling like you're rushed or pressured into making a purchase. You can kind of take your time and make a good decision based upon what you and your family not only need, but what you want as well.
Yeah, because we remember during the unicorn years, during the pandemic, A house goes on the market, within 24 hours, they hit a dozen offers. So you didn't have that time to think and make sure. And during those years, I don't know about you, but I saw a lot of buyer's remorse. There was so much pressure to make the fast decision and be so aggressive. Once they're under contract and had a minute to think about it, a lot of folks were like, whoa, what did I just do here? But at that point, they're under contract.
Right. And like I said, they were paying over asking as well. These guaranteed above appraisal offers that cost you extra thousands of dollars that didn't necessarily equate to what the price actually was.
Yeah. And hey, I'll tell you about one thing real quick on the mortgage side. And we can get into this more in another call. We have a thing called a can-do pre-approval, where what we do, this right now is just for conventional mortgages, conventional buyers. We will clear all of the buyer approval conditions, so their income, their assets, all of that. We offer this enhanced pre-approval, and it comes with a $10,000 guarantee, $5,000 for the buyer, $5,000 for the seller, that if we don't approve and close this mortgage due to, a buyer side issue, we will pay that $10,000 out. So we don't intend to do that because we're going to have all the work done. But what that does, if you do have an offer and there's 10 offers on a property, if you see one that has this $10,000 guarantee behind it, you're going to have a lot of confidence in that pre-approval. It's going to be just as good as a cash offer. So we're looking forward to a lot of excitement behind that come this spring when it does get competitive again.
Yeah, absolutely, man. I would even say we should just dedicate one show to talking about that program. That would be awesome. Really kind of get that out to the people because they really, really need to know that information. That's good stuff.
Yeah, we're super excited about that. And really, it's just a tool. It's a tool for buyers to get their offer and their pre-approval noticed over and above the others.
Gotcha. Yep. And that's what counts. It's what catches the eye that makes that, seller decide to choose your offer over the next.
Absolutely. Yeah, man. I think this is some great information today.
Yes, sir, man. Another great episode. What you got planned for the rest of the afternoon?
Oh, we're actually busy right now. So I'll be here working all afternoon. So if folks need me, they can give me a shout at the office, 757-645-0196. You can always find me at loanswithkevin.com.
Sounds good, man. Yeah, I'll be moving about all over all cities, all over the place. But you can reach me as well at 757-871-4167.
Sweet. Until next week.
Sounds good, buddy. Have a good one.